Alright guys, another day, another dollar, or another sterling, or another rupee, or another guinea. By the way, I don't think this car has any petrol. Try start it. Let's just check. No fuel? It says 0, yeah? Alright, oh, inshallah, maybe you can make it to the petrol station.
Yeah.
If not, I'll save you, don't worry. So guys, today's video is a bit interesting. Let's get to it. I'm gonna be explaining to you guys how you can make money, right, from selling cars for people, and how much money can we make from the Escalade that's now been complete. And it looks like this. You know why he has the windows open?
Why?
The driver. Because he has the AC off, because AC consumes fuel, right? Car has no fuel, so he has the AC off to save fuel, so he can actually make it to a petrol station. Smart, right? So next time you find yourself on 0 and you need to get to a petrol station and you have AC on, turn it off. It's a consequence because you left it to get to 0. Suffer for a bit until you make it to the petrol station. Otherwise you might be stuck on the road. Right, so guys, briefly today we're going to be talking about how you can sell a car for someone and make a profit from it. This beautiful BMW M2 that you guys can see on the screen right now is for sale. And if you look right now, the cheapest one goes for just under 330,000 dirhams and it has no carbon fiber. Guess what? This one has fiber and carbonate. Oh, if you don't know too much about these cars, then just know that they are amazing. Bro, this car just wants to slide, you know that? So, how can I make a profit from selling this car? I'm gonna go right now to the dealer and I'll explain to you guys how the money can be made. See you in the next take. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys how you can basically sell a car on for a profit, right? From someone else, right? Literally, it's happening right now. I'm here with Jimmy. Talk to me about your car and how you want to get rid of it and how I can make a commission or a profit that you also know of and that how this is something that you can do and it's literally happening live right now.
Yeah, absolutely, man. So it's a 2023 BMW M2 G87. It's a Korean spec car, imported through, clean title, low mileage.
It's an amazing car.
You know, you got the books, keys, all original. Essentially, look, I'm only after 270, around there, whatever you sell it on top, like I'm happy for you to keep, man. If you sell it for 1 million dirhams, you can keep the rest, I don't care.
Now, the good thing is that the price of the car that you're basically selling is actually cheaper than the one that's on the market right now. So this is the cheapest one.
Yeah.
In Dubai, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
And it has better options than the one that's up right now for sale.
100%.
So make sure that you know what you're doing and you're checking the car, checking how much the car goes for before you get into an agreement like this. Because sometimes people can tell you, you know, not people like Jimmy, but some people can say, listen, I want you to make 5 dirhams or 5 pounds and I want the rest of the money. The next thing is the Escalade. So this car that I've been building, that's now finally repaired. I wanted to show the viewers that one way of making profit from this car is through renting it.
Yes.
And it can also be headache free and stress free because I can just give the car to you guys as a rental company and you will just rent it and give me my money every month. Estimated.
Two times a month. We do fortnightly payments.
2 times a month.
Yeah.
A month, even better.
Yeah.
This is beneficial for you guys because you can find the car on the market value, damage to repair it, and then start making your money back. This is one way, or you can sell it for a profit. But I just want to get some figures. If that's okay. If we
Yeah,
go
absolutely.
over estimated figures.
Yeah, 100%. So during the peak season, the Escalade full option 2023 model probably go for about 1,300 dirhams a day.
Amazing.
If we're looking at the low season, it will probably go for about that 1,000 dirhams a day, give or take, just depending on the customer, depending on how busy it is. If we're just non-stop during the low season, we're not going to discount anything. We're going to just keep going. So let's say if we look at the average daily rate on the low season, right? Let's say 1,000. Let's just say for argument's sakes, 30 days a month, right? Let's say even if we look at 50% occupancy, so 15 days, that's 15,000 dirhams a month, okay? So if we look at the high season, 1,300 times that by 15, we're looking at around 19,500. So that's just off 50% occupancy. Currently, our cars, we're probably hitting that 60 to 70% depending on the car.
Amazing. Wow.
And we're only just a new company. I think we've only been operating for like 6.5 months.
Yeah, it's all about trust.
Yeah.
It's all about trust. I'm not being scammed. I'm not bringing a car back and them saying, "Aye, this was you," but it wasn't you. So if you wanting to get a car, headache-free, stress-free, literally, TT, I've dealt with them myself. You can deliver cars to the airport.
Yeah, 100%.
You can deliver cars to wherever you are. If you're at the zoo, you need a car, they'll bring it. Premier Car, Supercar Dubai. Get at it. And if you're someone that wants to buy and sell cars for a profit and literally make back profit, I can just give them the car and start making money. I'm gonna go think about it, sleep on it. Yeah, then click the link below. We can get you started and see you in the next one. Right, guys. So just a quick overview. So we met Jimmy from Premier Car, Supercars Dubai, and we basically discussed with him how we can make money from this Cadillac Escalade that we have repaired and future cars as well. And we got the figures. I think the Cadillac was about 1,000 dirhams a day to 1,300 when it's busy season, high season or something like that. But anyways, we've got the figures and that's the proof for you guys that that's literal profit I can start making from the car straight away. If we take the car from, get it repaired to give it to them, that's profit that can be made. Have to think about it, figure out if it's better to make profit and keep the car for a bit, for a year, maybe make that sort of profit from it, then sell it, or flip it now for a profit. Anyways, these are things that you can do. These are options that you have, so you can make the decision if you're someone that starts flipping cars and you want to do it like the way I just did in this video. But the interesting factor is that business comes to you when you're flipping cars. You don't even need to chase it. What just happened is that he also told me to get this BMW M2 sold for him, or part exchange or whatever, and he told me the figure, which is under market value that he wants, so that I can then go on top and make my profit, right? So this is why it's very important to get the blueprint and the knowledge so you can understand how to evaluate a car. If you see a car, that Honda for example, how do I evaluate it? How do I know how much is the maximum or the minimum I can pay for that car so that I can resell it for a profit? So that was quite interesting, that just happened there. If you're someone that wants to buy this M2, by the way, it's up on the screen right now. Amazing car, get in touch. I'll give you a good price, don't worry, don't stress. So, right, what did Premier say? The figures that I got from one rental place that I went to today, could have gone to many, could have got better quotes, that's what you should do, Mina Kiara, is they said 1.2 thousand, I'm going to use just 1,000. He's interrupting the video, lad. As everyone wants to interrupt this video because it's so saucy and juicy. Anyone trying to interrupt you, tell them, Ante, get out. Right, so let's say 1K, 1,000. Sorry guys, 1,000 dirhams. In our language, in the United Kingdom, this is a bag. We say a bag. But anyways, in pounds sterling, this is 213 British pounds. Estimated. Don't go checking the currency and try saying in the comments that there's more than that. It's estimated, but you know what? Because I know some people are going to be weird. Let's call it 200. 200 pounds a day. 200 pounds a day. I'm going to show you guys how I can make money from this Escalade, and I'm going to use low calculations. Let's say the car rents for just 10 days in 30 days. Let's say it goes for 10 days. So in 30 days, in a 30-day calendar, in the month, it goes out for 10 days. That's 10,000 dirhams. That's 10,000. 10K, right? 10,000. You know how much that is in pounds? Times this by 10. What's that? 5. Get out. All you gotta do, guys, is put a 0 next to it. So if you do that, if you do 200 times, what is it again? 10. I check on your phone quick. Can it calculate? 2,000 pounds, yeah? 2,000 pounds in 10 days. Let's say you rent the car for just 1 year, 12 months. So times this by 12, which makes times 12. That makes 14,000 pounds. X for everyone that's stuck in the matrix. Anyway, that's 24,000 pounds. That car can go on rent for 1 year, and the lowest, this is like 10 days. It should actually go out for more than 10 days in a month. You know what I'm trying to say? Let me know if you're someone going to Dubai. Would you book a Cadillac Escalade for a holiday car? A black one on black, black on black on black. Beautiful car. Look, I'll give you an example. Look at the car. Look at it. But I would say just rent it for a year, get the 24K, and because we've got the car on the market value, it wouldn't depreciate that much after a year anyway. And then boom, sell it, money. This is low end. It should be more than this, guys. Remember, this is just low. I'm doing low calculation. He calculated 15. So if we go with Jimmy's calculations, which is 15 days, then if you times 2,000 times, not 10, 15. You know how much that is? If you times it by what Jimmy said, which is 15 days, that is 30 bags. Literally. That's 30 bags. 30 bags that you could be making as profit. The point is that this method and this blueprint works. And I have given you the proof. And the proof is in the pudding. And the cherry is at the top. And you put the cherry after you get the pudding. And I get the... Also, though, I was told that because it's a kind of like Escalade, it doesn't really decrease or depreciate in value. And guys, remember, it's a known, well-known car. And it has very good options, this one specifically. And also, guys, rappers and that, little baby and big baby and, you know, all these, man, they're going to come and they want a car like that. You know, footballers, Ronaldinho and, you know, start the guy, course the guy. But yeah, man, that's 10 bags. But anyways, nevertheless, so this Cadillac thing is done. It's done, anyways. Let me know in the comment section if I should rent it or not. Let me just explain to you guys quickly how from this video you can start making some sort of money this month after learning the blueprint. I'll give you a little hint. This might help you. So all you got to do is find the marketplace, find let's say a Ford, you know, let's say you find this Ford. Listen, I don't have to draw cars in them. I don't have to draw them, I don't have to flip them. But anyways, this is a Ford. This car, you find the car for 1,000 British pounds, right? You get it for £1,000, but you need to learn the method of how much the car actually goes for. So if you're buying it for £1,000, it should at least go for, without any problems, you just buy it, wash it, and sell it for around 1,500 British pounds, you know? Like, that's the level you want to reach, where you just literally buy it, wash it, sell it for £500 extra within that same month. If you do this to 3 cars or 4 cars, you're making £2,000 a month. How did I get to this £2,000? This 500, you just times 500 times 4, which equals 2K or 2 bags. Blood. You get it? Anyways, that's just a little hint, you know. I use the same method from little cheap cars to now big boy cars. And if you're someone that's interested and you want to start buying and selling for a profit, the same way these students on the screen do right now, click the link below, get started, flip your life, flip cars, and flip your bank account. You know, if you want stress from the bank saying, yo, we're blocking your account, there's too much money coming in, go open a business account. You want that, trust me, you want that. See you in the next one. Shut the camera, get out.